Ever wonder why nothing ever seems random in your life? Here's a verse that explains it all.
قُل لَّن يُصِيبَنَا إِلَّا مَا كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَنَا هُوَ مَوْلَانَا وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Say, nothing will ever befall us except what Allah has destined for us. He is our protector. So in Allah let the believers put their trust. In this profound verse, Allah reminds us that every twist and turn, every moment of difficulty or blessing, is part of His divine plan. Nothing happens by chance. Even when life throws unexpected challenges your way, remember that they are all written for a reason. They shape you, teach you, and ultimately, protect you. When you face hardship or even joy, take comfort, Allah is your constant guide and protector. Rely on this promise and trust that everything is unfolding according to His perfect wisdom. Comment, Inshallah, if you trust His plan. Share this with someone who needs reassurance today. Follow for more uplifting Quranic reminders.